Hello peeps, it's December the 3rd and we're going to open today door number 3 of the Galaxy and door number 3 of the postcode lottery, Candace. So this is not sponsored by Galaxy or the postcode lottery. So I've got help with Elf the Alf again, and let's open door number 3 and see what we got. Right, door number 3. Door number 3 we have a chocolate present. Thank you very much. Right, and door number 3 at the postcode lorry. Right, today it says riding for disabled associations. We are able to require 12 new horses. Good for them. If you're disabled and you think you can't do anything, in the postcode lottery charity adds money to disabled people or other charities so they can do stuff. So they must be required 12 new horses for disabled people, so they can get out and enjoy life like a normal person. Anyway, thanks for looking at door number 3 opening and the postcode lottery with the help of Elf the Alf, and you have been listening to Mike's chat with the 4K eyebrow. Cheers.